Welcome back to the channel, guys. Aaron, Brendan, Robert's behind the camera, per usual. So today we have Joe's 2003 EVO VIII in to finish the Haltech install, break in the engine, and do a E85 only tune. He's not worried about flex fuel right now, so we're not going to do that. So Brendan, what do we have going on here?
Oh, we got a bunch of sexy going on here. All right, still one of my favorite platforms, 2003. It's a SSL version, right?
Which is cool.
Yeah, I love that, right? Good for racing? Probably not. Really kind of cool to have in an Evo? Absolutely. But lightly modified, I think, is a good way to put it. Built 2 liter.
Lightly.
Right, aluminum rod 2 liter, 64, 66, next gen precision. This motor's never been ran though. So
Yeah.
Joseph brought it to us, and the previous engine, what did he say? He had 1 pull in it before it just
Yeah, it
left
sat
the
for
track?
8 months. He got it home, made a pull, and it was done.
Yeah. So that led him down the next road, which was purchasing a built bottom end, actually from another customer of ours.
Yeah.
Doing the full engine assembly, transmission, getting it into the car. He's got a bunch of cool parts, right? So we've got the Haltech ECU, the IC7 dash that's going to be integrated into this thing, a bunch of CAN sensors.
Yeah, PPG dog box.
Oh, yeah. Let's not forget about that.
The
Fantastic.
anti-money shifter from Inline Racing, courtesy of Wii.
Yeah. Well, that dude knows what he's
Little
doing.
brakes.
What's that?
He has little brakes and 15-inch wheels.
Right.
So we got some stickies.
Yeah, but you saw the problem, right? He has completely worn the tread off the tires.
Oh, I hate it when that happens.
And these are MTs, right? More tread?
More tread.
More tread. So unfortunately, though, he's running, I mean, it looks like slicks. Probably not.
It's going to work great when it's 13 degrees out, like today.
Yeah, it's
I
a
know
little
what
bit
happened
chilly
with
in the
the
shop.
first car, though. The first engine, he lost his exhaust. I think that's
Oh,
what
it fell
happened.
off.
It
Yeah.
fell off.
Yeah. That
Let's
can
see the
happen.
engine, Aaron.
Okay.
All right, so 2150 cc injectors. Aaron, is that going to take, and dual 525 fuel pumps. So
Yeah,
is
he has
that
the
enough fuel
bulletproof dual
for-
525.
Is that enough fuel for what we're planning on doing?
That combo, I've done 1,000 with it before, with that exact pump setup and these injectors. This turbo, the most I've seen is just over 900. I think it was 920.
Oh, that's fantastic.
in
To the
Tyler's car.
ground?
Yeah.
On a 2 liter, though?
That was a 2.2.
Okay.
So at 50 pounds. 2 liter will probably take 55 or 56. So the goal today, though, is just 800.
Okay.
So we're not going to worry about that quite yet because we do have stock intake manifold, stock throttle body, 2.5-inch pipe. So we don't have all of the mods for 1,000 wheel, but I think we'll do 800.
Oh.
I don't think that's going to be a problem.
No, and this thing's obviously, as you can tell, with the tires, right, with the exhaust system onto this thing, he's kind of purpose building this. He wants this just really to go really, really fast. It kind of feels like in one direction to me, so maybe not a dragon car.
Probably not. Probably not. I'm assuming that this is going to be a great quarter-mile car. Depending on the gearing, maybe 1/8 mile, but he probably would need some low gears for the 1/8.
Well, either way, I'm super excited about it. We've got almost all the recipe for the cake. We just need to mix everything together, install everything, and see
And
what
then
we come
bake
up
it.
with. Oh, and then definitely the Pro Hub.
Yes, kind of essential.
All right, so you already said a number. You said 800.
Yeah.
That's where you're thinking this is going to go, huh?
Well, I think it's going to make more than that, but his goal is 800.
Okay. So from Aaron, he said 1,200, 1,300 easy. He's got just all the boop, boop, beep, boops for that. You could probably do it once. You
I
made
just need-
1,200 and you
I just
an
need
email.
somebody to hold my nitrous bottle right here.
I agree. No, I'm excited about it. I love seeing these in the garage. I can't wait to actually dig into this thing. There's a few things that I want to change around, but let's get this thing wired up, ready to go, and out of my hands and into yours.
Awesome. Let's do it.